As you can see, I am in my E drive. I want to create a new file. So I'm going to right click, go down to New, and then go to Text Document. I'm going to create a file called IMP. Hit Enter. And now I have an imp.txt file. It's empty, but that's what I want. Now the next thing I do, I import OS. And now I want to open up that file. What file? Well, I want to open up the file called //imp.txt, then double quotes here, and I comma for writing, W within quotes, and I hit Enter. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to make my life a little easier. I'm going to say, Mr. OS, yes, I want you to list out all the files in the directory. He says, what directory? Mr. OS, go get the current directory, and then hand it to this guy so he can list out all the files in that directory. Okay, that's good. So get the current directory, then list out all the files in that current directory, assign that to Y. Alrighty tighty then. Now I key in Y, and it's a mess. Wow. So I want to change this and make it a little bit nicer. So I'm going to key in the following. For X in Y, do the following. For each one of those X's in Y, take F and that file that I'm connected to, that I opened up, imp.txt. Mr. F, I want you to write something to that file, to your silly self. What do you want me to write to my silly self? That X over here, which will be the name of one of these guys. Oops. Which will be the name of one of these guys. Each one of these guys that are printed out in Y. So he races through these, and that's X, and then does it again. That's X, and then this is X next. And next, this is the next X, and then this is the next X. For each one of those X's in this Y variable, this is what Y list. This is what I want you to do. Write that guy, X, to the disk. But please concatenate him with a carriage return line feed, or it will be a super duper big mess. And that's it. We be done and we be cool. I hit the Enter key, cross our fingers. The crowd presses. Oh, what's all that? Oh, that's telling me the length of each one of the data objects that it wrote to the file. This one was 6 characters long. This was 18 characters long, 9 characters long, 12 characters long. Wow, I think it's time for me to close the file. So F, close your silly self. And that's it. Now let's take a look at our file, see what it looks like. Now I come over to here, and there's my IMP file. Let's double click on him, open him up. And, oh, there he is. The parade of hits are all there. Every single one of the files in that directory are listed out now in my file. Well, I think that's super cool. One of the YouTube viewers asked me a question about this subject, so this was my answer. This is George Boole. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope this was helpful. Good luck, and please rate the video. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.